The best way to do affiliate marketing, #1 case study. I'm going to show you guys a proven method where you can get free traffic to make $3,000+ even if you're brand new, if you have no list, have no experience. So stay tuned to this video. You want to be in the video on my YouTube? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Come here. Okay. So, Kent, say hi.
Hello.
This is Kent, and he's my new friend. And I'm finishing up my time here in beautiful Bali, Indonesia. I have 3 days left. Me and my business partner have been traveling for about 6 months now, and we're wrapping up. We're wrapping up our last days here. We're in North Bali having lunch, and I just wanted to shoot this. You have to. Alright, so I just wanted to shoot this video for you guys because this is a beautiful background. We're at elevation. I actually don't know the elevation, but we're high up in the mountains and it's absolutely gorgeous up here. And I wanted to shoot this video, and I was inspired to shoot it because I wanted to talk about a method that you guys could use if you have like zero experience, no list, if you're, just maybe starting your Instagram, your YouTube, your Facebook, your brand for affiliate marketing. And it's kind of a combination of a promotional cycle and a cross between launch jacking and a promotional cycle. And so it was a method I was able to use when I switched back to affiliate marketing from e-commerce earlier this year. And I'm going to show you guys this case study where I was able to make a few $1,000s by simply making a couple YouTube videos. And it was completely free traffic, and I was able to capitalize on a method that we call launch jacking and promotional cycling. So if you guys are new to this channel, my name is Marissa Romero, and welcome. And what I talk about on this channel is making money online and tips and tricks to help improve your online business. I talk about everything from sales funnels, ClickBank, affiliate marketing, internet marketing, e-commerce, you name it, it's most likely going to be on this channel. And right now I'm posting every day, so please smash that subscribe button, help support the channel and help support this movement for me to help teach you guys everything I know about affiliate marketing and online business. All right, so without further ado, what I'm going to do is go ahead and hop to my computer and show you guys my results from this case study and how I was able to make this amount of money, and how you guys can steal this method that I'm about to show you and implement it into your business right away. All right, catch you on the computer. All right, welcome back to my computer. So a couple things that I wanted to say first before we get started is what I'm talking about exactly today is the Kartra launch that I was involved in about a month and a half ago. So Kartra is the system I use. It's like an all-in-one business platform for people, internet marketers, and online business owners to have email marketing, sales funnel building, membership creation, affiliate management, all kinds of stuff. So it's like, everything in one platform, and that's why it was kind of marketed as the online marketer's dream. So what I did was I saw that product was being launched, and I had no list or no, audience in this specific category or, product. And I'm like, okay, the makers of Kartra were really, really well known. I mean, Andy Jenkins and Mike Filsaime, makers of Webinar Jam. When I saw that they were the creators of Kartra, I was like, okay, this has to be legit. And then when I heard that Frank Kern was helping as one of the producers of Kartra and was a promoter of Kartra and had some done-for-you funnels in there, I was like, okay, this is going to be dynamite and people are going to be looking for this product. So what I did was I did a series of things. I created a cluster of videos around Kartra, and you don't have to create a cluster. It's really, you can just create 3 videos on a product that is going to be launched. But I created an entire cluster, honestly, just because I'm like, why not? The harder I go, the more sales I'll make. So the Kartra launch was April 4th through April 24th. So that's 20 days. My goal was to get 10 sales because I was like, well, let's just aim for 10 sales because each sale was worth $100 if people completed the 2-week trial. So I actually almost doubled that. I got 19 sales, and I was really excited about it. I smashed my goal, and I was like, hell yeah, all right, cool. The cluster was worth it. So I wanted to show you guys how exactly I did it. Now let me switch to my computer, and okay, so here's my back office of Kartra, and these numbers are a little off because there's been some, refunds, some cancellations, whatever. But just so you guys can see the income proof in my back office, I've had 51 sales total, but not all since post launch as well. But not all of those commissions have dropped yet. People are still going through the trial, going through their first month of using Kartra. So I wanted to go down here to my YouTube channel and show you guys what I made and what you need to do whenever you're doing a product launch. So what you guys need to do is, of course, do a pre-launch video. Now, my pre-launch video was right here. It was actually a Kartra review and custom bonus. I did that during the pre-launch, which, some could argue that you shouldn't do it before the pre-launch, but I did just so I could position this video at the top with the keywords and stuff. And then I just went ham and I started to make a cluster. I'm like, okay, what do people need to know how to do when they get Kartra? They need to know what it is, an overview. People are going to be like, is this a scam? People are going to want to know how to create a landing page, set up an autoresponder email list, blah, blah, blah. Because Kartra is advanced, and it's easy to use once you get the hang of it, but just like everything else, when it's brand new, people are like, oh my God, how do I use it? So I, created all of these, and of course, what you have to do as well is give your audience another reason to buy from you. So that means that you're going to have to create a custom bonus. That's kind of the key when you're doing, a pre-launch of a product or launch jacking, whatever you want to call it. So under all these videos, I had, sign up for Kartra, and also I go over my custom bonuses in here, and I actually created a bonus page of what people would get when signing up for me. Now this page is a little bit old, but basically it's $4,000 worth of bonuses on this page. So people came to this page, and it goes over, what exactly they got, the strategy session, tube traffic domination, my course. And so what was cool about that is that gives people that gives you the edge above everybody else who's trying to promote this product on YouTube, so people can connect with you first. Now, I will advise you, one mistake I made was giving out my bonuses too early, because a couple of people were in it just for the freebies, unfortunately, and they, took advantage of all these bonuses and ended up not doing the 14-day trial, which sucked, and that's not cool on my end, and on the other person's end. Like, that's not cool to just want free things. So my advice to you is don't give out your bonuses until the trial or membership or whatever is complete. Then people can get your bonuses. So that was my formula for YouTube, and it's really simple. All you guys got to do is, well, here's exactly what I did. I went to jvnotifypro.com. This is a great website for up and coming quality launches. And the reason I say quality is because when you go to, like, let's say muncheye.com, muncheye.com is going to have all the up and coming products for products on JVZoo and Warrior Plus, even ClickBank, but it's kind of, they're not the bigger affiliate names on there. When you go to JV Notify Pro, you're going to get the top-notch, high-quality products. For example, like this one up here, like Fred Lam and Michael Singh. I don't know if I'm saying his name right, but those guys are dominant in the e-commerce niche, and they're going to have their products. They're featuring it on jvnotifypro.com because that is where like the affiliates look, the super affiliates look to promote products. So that's where you're going to find the top tier products, and I'll show you what criteria that I look at. The internet's kind of slow, but I'll show you what I look at when I look at a product that I do want to do launch jacking for. All right, my internet is going at an ungodly speed. I apologize for that, so I'm just going to tell you. So when you're on jvnotifypro.com and you're going down, you're looking at the launches, you scroll down to the bottom of the page is where they have the up and coming product launches for products. You want to look at, there's this little metric at the bottom of each. When you click on a product name, there's a little a place at the bottom that has a metric for clicks, like unique visitors and stuff. You want to make sure that that number is above 300. At least 300 or above is great. Anything less, it's okay. You can still explore it. But when you look at a product that has a value of 300 or above, it means it's a really good product, and they have really good makers behind the product. It's high quality. They have great affiliate resources, so email swipes. They have like a launch sequence so that they tell you when you get leads to your list, they tell you, what exactly to email your list. It's like a schedule they go by during the launch. So, like as I said, you don't have to go crazy on YouTube and create a whole cluster of videos around a product. All you got to do is do a pre-launch video. So before the video launches, telling people what it's about. Then you have to do an actual product review. So Kartra review, you do that. And make sure you have the product when you do that, because if not, it's going to look kind of weird and you won't maximize on sales. Then the other video you want to make is your product name plus custom bonuses. So, you don't have to go crazy with creating bonuses. Maybe just create a bonus that's relevant to the actual product, and include that with your reviews and in your videos. Put the link in there so people understand that they have a bonus if they purchase from you. So you know what? I hope this is helpful for you guys. It's a really simple formula. You can do this to get up off the ground with your affiliate marketing business. It's really fun, actually. So I would encourage you guys to try it. You guys are you have more than enough knowledge to go ahead and try out this strategy. It's not hard at all. If I did it with no list or anything, you guys can do it. And so that is the best method for affiliate marketing if you're just getting started, in my opinion. So I hope this was useful. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you liked this video. Leave me a comment below if you have any questions, and I will do my best to get back to your comments. And if you guys are interested in learning how to build a profitable affiliate marketing business from scratch and use and leverage the system that I use to, travel the world and create a full-time income for myself online, go ahead and click the link below for my #1 recommended system, and go ahead and check that out, all right? Okay, guys, I hope you have an amazing day wherever you are, and I'll see you on the next video.